Today we are going to make the most tastiest banana bread you've ever had in your entire life. So let's get busy. The first thing we want to do is grease our loaf pan with some cooking spray. You can also use butter, or you can use Crisco, whatever you desire. Use what you want to use. Next, we're going to get a large bowl. We're going to use 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna go ahead and whisk that together. Then we're gonna set this aside. All right, so we've had a stick of butter or a 1/2 cup setting at room temperature for a little while now to get soft. We're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And then we're gonna use our hand mixer and mix it together. Once you have your brown sugar and butter well mixed together, we're gonna add 2 eggs. And we're gonna mix together again. Now we're gonna take 5 bananas, about the size of the palm of your hand. We're gonna go ahead and peel those, drop them in a bowl and mash them up. Once you get those nice ripe bananas peeled, we're gonna go ahead and mash them. All right, so once you get this into the creamy paste that you want, or if you want it a little chunky, that's fine too. But you want to get it as smooth as possible so it's easy to mix with our dry ingredients. So that's what we're going to do next. So now we're going to transfer our bananas into the butter, egg, and brown sugar mixture. And we're going to combine those well. We're just going to stir it, fold it up a little bit, get those to combine together. Now we'll bring in our flour mixture and we'll combine all the ingredients together. Here we just want to gently fold and mix this until it is well combined. Now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to dump this into our pan. All right, once we get it into our pan, we want to go ahead and we want to flatten it out. All right, so we're going to even this out. The oven's been preheating at 350 now, and we're going to bake this for about 60 minutes. At that point, to check it, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a toothpick and we're just going to insert it into it to see if any moisture or any of the batter is still on it. So let's go ahead and throw it in the oven. All right, so now that it's been setting for about 15 minutes and it's cooled down, now we're going to get it out of the pan and we're going to slice into this. All right, let's cut into this. Make sure you guys got yourself a bread knife so it'll cut through. Nice. Oh, this is so moist. Steaming hot. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. All right, so if you're like me, I enjoy my banana bread with a little bit of peanut butter. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and let's try a bite of this. This is amazing. The little chunks of bananas really pop in your mouth because I left mine a little chunky. But hey, make yours the way you want to make yours. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make banana bread. Bananas, flour, salt, and a little bit of baking powder. So why don't you give this recipe a try? It's delicious. And until next time, thanks for stopping by. Damn, that peanut butter's thick.